In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in OpenArt. We'll start on the home page, move into the editor, expand a scene, guide the AI with a prompt, and finish by changing or removing the background. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple image into something polished and share-ready. First, head to the OpenArt homepage. Hover your mouse over the Image section to reveal the editing options, then click Edit Image. This opens the image editor. In the center, you'll see an image icon. Click it to begin. Choose Upload, then select the photo you want to work with. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit image so the AI has strong details to build on. If you want to extend your scene or add background details, click Expand. This lets you outpaint beyond the original borders. On the right, adjust the output size and choose an aspect ratio that suits your goal. For example, square for social posts or wide for banners. If you need something specific, you can drag the width and height sliders for a custom size. You can also resize directly on the canvas by grabbing the green or blue corner guides and dragging the dots outward to expand the frame. Once you've created the extra space, click and hold the image to move it within the expansion. Center your subject or place it strategically to leave room for new elements the AI will add. Keep key details away from the very edge so nothing important gets cropped. Now use the prompt box to tell the AI what to add. Be clear and descriptive, like forest trees in the distance or soft sunset sky. Short, specific phrases usually work best. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. Increasing this gives you more variations to pick from, but remember, it may consume more credits per image. When you're ready, click Create, and wait a moment while OpenArt generates results. If you're not satisfied, you can refine further. Use inpaint to brush over areas you want changed. Remove to delete unwanted objects, or background to handle the entire backdrop. To change or remove the background, click Background at the top and let the AI detect it. Then choose Change Background and describe the new environment in the text box. Aim to match lighting and style to your subject for a natural look. That's it. You've uploaded an image, expanded the scene, guided the AI with a prompt, and updated the background, all in OpenArt. Pause, tweak, and